Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use virtual numbers for ChatGPT. So if I go for sign up and if ChatGPT asks for your number, so if you don't wanna give your number to ChatGPT and you wanna use a virtual number, so just go for your Google browser and search for here free online verification. Uh-oh. Okay, search for free online verification number ChatGPT. So it shows this link first. You have to go for the first link, which is temporary phone number for ChatGPT. Scroll down and you have to choose your country, and you can see numbers are here. So if you go for it, you can copy the numbers, copy the number from here, and you have to enter it to ChatGPT. When it asks for code, then you can uh, give them this code from here. You have to enter the latest code. So you can see this is the 8 minutes before code. So this is the 45 seconds ago code. So you have to just put the latest code on ChatGPT. So after that, you can sign up with the virtual number on the ChatGPT. So that's it. This is how you can use virtual number for ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.